Hello explorers, today we are going to talk about the ancient Indian astronomy. As we all know, the term astronomy means the study of celestial bodies and the universe. Now by the term ancient Indian astronomy, we are not referring it to a country, instead we are referring it to the people who used to live at that place, which is today known as India. And you will be fascinated to know that the astronomy of that time was way more advanced than today. Now the astronomy of that time is known as astrology nowadays. It may sound a bit odd and strange, but it is the truth. When we think of astrology, we generally think that it helps us to foresee the future. But it is only partially true. The word astrology means the study of celestial bodies and the universe as well. But it also helps us to predict the possible outcomes of the future by observing the movements of the celestial bodies in the universe. This may sound strange, but it requires very complex calculations and years of practice to do it. Now let's talk about the contribution of ancient Indian astronomy in the acknowledgement of the existence of the solar system. While the history credits Copernicus for proposing the heliosymmetric model of our solar system, it was the Rig Veda that first noted the central placement of the Sun and other planets orbiting it in the solar system. Another example as the proof of advancement is that they knew the distance between the Earth and the Sun, and they mentioned it in the Hanuman Chalisa. Yug Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu Lilyo Tahi Madhura Phalujanu. This excerpt is from Hanuman Chalisa and it translates to: when Hanuman travelled thousands of kilometers to swallow it, thinking of it as a fruit. Though word-to-word translation of the same excerpt reveals the distance that Hanuman travelled. One yug is equal to 12,000 years, one Sahasra yug is equal to 12 million years, one yojana is equal to 8 miles. Thus, Yoga Sahasra Yojana. The first three words mean 12,000 multiplied by 12 million multiplied by 8, which is equal to 96 million miles or 153.6 million kilometers. And interestingly, the actual distance from Earth to Sun is 152 million kilometers. Surprisingly, there is an error of just around 1%. These were only some facts by which we can say that the ancient Indian astronomy was really very advanced. We hope that we were able to enlighten your mind with knowledge. Thank you from Team Enlightening Satya.